Another fine vehicle offered by Cherry Hill Triplex.
This is a 2002 Oldsmobile Silhouette. Room for the entire family. There's a 3.4-liter, 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, a ventilation system, a leather interior, cruise control, passenger and driver side sliding doors, a CD player, a traction control system, composite halogen headlights, and it's easy to see why this automobile is an excellent choice. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Cherry Hill Triplex is located at 1803 West Marlton Pike in Cherry Hill. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.